in our channel you can see I before made the analysis of Mera and it also achieved here, that was achieved already here. Okay, the target 69.75 was been achieved already. Okay, successfully achieved. Also here you can see this is another chance of going if breakout happens about this upside resistance. So okay, Switzerland video has been also uploaded. You can see Switzerland the target has been successfully achieved. You can see this video in my channel. Okay, and also IOB analysis also successful. You can see here it's almost going to achieve soon. Okay, this video also been uploaded in our channel before only. Okay, our Raja is going down now, sideways now. Let's see this, it takes some more time, down or up. You can see these videos are not done. IDBI also have been uploaded in my channel. You can see it also achieved target upside move. Okay, also VGuard analysis also done. You can see VGuard analysis. Okay, the target also reached already, and it's a bullish move yesterday also. See, clear cut. Okay, VGuard also successful. IP analysis also we done. You can see in our channel. You can see after breakdown happened, then it fall. Okay, this is also this is the Hindustan Zinc which I didn't uploaded it. Okay, this is the analysis. So after breakout upside happen, then it will go upside or down, then downside. Okay, we need to see this is support, major support, chance of movement are there mostly. Okay, something. This is Reddington. The video has been not taken, but according to this pattern, breakdown happen here and it's falling. Okay, next, even also here we done Nifty analysis also. Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis. You can see this analysis also successful. Okay, here you can see it's also successful. Down movement has been seen based on my analysis. Bank Nifty also you can see my analysis was successful. Down move we expected. Okay, this has been done. So this also successful analysis. Even NMDC also successful analysis. Also Gale, you can see here a most major pattern 5% up move or down move can be seen here in upcoming days. Gale, yeah. NMDC is also successful. Achieved. India Bulls is going to achieve or some targets are being achieved. Okay. Up to here, this is the one which has been a successful achieve. This is another target going to a different pattern. Okay. Heavy real estate also you can be done. Sideways now still. So when also you can see our analysis has been successful. Yapma has been achieved 8%. Give an idea. You can see here Upmo has been seen. Now after breakout here is a pattern 12% up or down move can be seen in this idea in upcoming days. Okay, this is the complete analysis.